Okay, it's feeding time. The dogs are waiting outside to come in. Here we go. Okay, alright guys. Wait a second. Lexi wants yours. Here's Lexi's kibble. Lexi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lexi. Happy birthday to you. Here's the other two. They're waiting. They really want their kibble. But Lexi's a birthday girl, so she gets her kibble first. Okay, guys. Alright. This Kona. And Big Boy Mimels. Big Boy Memphis and Kona. Say thank you, Daddy, for getting me special kibble. Here, let Mama hold it for you. There we go. There we go. Yum, yum. She's getting all the good stuff out first. Is it good, Lexer? See, tail wagging. Kona's already done. You having trouble? Yum, yum. Almost done. That was Hunter's stew. Okay, Memphis has to lick the bowl now. Kona's got to lick the bowl. Okay, bye-bye.